Alright man, Snake POV. Back on the commute. And today man, just gonna whine a little bit about all the weakness we see today. Crazy, you know? So I'm in the gym, I'm doing my reps. And in between I rest a little bit, so I take a look at Reddit. I look in the Dublin subreddit, you know, see a little bit about what's going on. And some of these little soy boys in there, you know. They complain, always complain, you know. This time it's about the tricolors, you know, and the Irish flags. And I see one comment, you know, like they are putting all these Irish flags out on my way to work, and they do it just because of me, you know, big letters on the me, to show that me and my family is not welcome here in Ireland, you know. Man, what's up with this victim mentality, this you know, main character syndrome going on? Like this is Ireland, you know, like the flag, we hang it here, you know, it should be hang here, because it's Ireland, it's Irish soil, Irish rain, everything, man. Got nothing to do with you. But that's the thing, you know, that's the most annoying thing about some of these very liberal people, you know. They think everything is about them. So you hang out, Irish flag in Ireland, you know, Sweden flag, whatever. And they think it's all about them, you know. This flag that I hang out here for being proud of my nation or whatever it might be, it's for that guy, that random Redditor. I care enough about one random person on the internet that I don't even know the name of to hang out a flag, you know, just to spite that. That is so ridiculous. But these people, you know, they really believe it. And you know, I've heard a few of them talk in real life too, you know. And it's always, you know, somebody out to get them. So just because the whole world is against them, they're not going to exercise. They're not going to strive for promotion. They're not going to, you know, do anything to improve the situation for themselves, their family, their loved ones. Very, very disgusting, you know. It's like, ugh, you know, it creeps me out to the bone. I don't know where this comes from, you know. I see some cops going on the bus lane. They're not a bus. Come on, man. Sometimes I see them on the phone too. Always when they pass, you know, I make sure to pedal a little bit, just to not get harassed on my commute home. I got things to do, man. I have to cook, do some cleaning, do some meal prep, you know. It's expensive times. You can't be eating out all day. You know? You can. Then you accept to be broke and never be able to afford a vacation. That's just the society we live in, man. And Snake, you know, you want to travel. Snake fast. So then, you know, I do the sacrifice. Just like I want to have a big biceps. I do the annoying ass curls. You know, it's painful. Increase the weight. It's 27.5 kilo now each dumbbell. Curling away. Same with the food, you know, make the food box, save the money, afford vacation. And you know, sometimes Snake complain a little bit too, you know. It's only natural. Man, some of these liberals, they just do it on a whole nother level. Ah, we have a crash. No, no, just a long queue. Man, on a random Saturday. Very heavy bike to push on its own, man. Hope the battery gonna last. And what's up with this queue? It has to be an accident. I mean, let's look at that. In the middle of the roundabout too, you know, is there oh. Why this random rush hour? Damn, dude. Everywhere. And times like this, you know, makes me very grateful to have an e-bike. I'm not gonna do the park route, I'm gonna do this route just to catch all the crazy traffic on camera. Maybe some event going on or something. Look at that queue. Random stoppage from that car, you know. Middle of the road, probably looking at their phone. This is why all these accidents here happen all the time. Like you just press on a video, like a few videos ago, you see it. Wow, man. Everywhere queue. Goes faster to take the bike this distance than doing the car, especially when fully charged. The only time the car is faster is when the roads are empty, and you know, like you can see on a random Saturday, it's never. With a very slow, not very charged battery. Getting there. Queue just continues. Man. Nuts. Feeling very blessed. Gotta make it to the supermarket soon too, you know, like it's gonna be massive queues there for sure. We don't have that many here in Ireland. lucky, you know, like snakes on a bit of a diet here, so not eating too many apple pies and cookies, and just trying to limit it a little bit, you know, limit it to the weekends like now, and you know, it's just a bonus if everything is sold out. Then I'm gonna lose weight faster. It's 87.7 kilos this morning. I'm gonna let you guys know in a week, you know. And if it's up, you have the permission to shave me in the comments, you know. Put all the shame in there, you know. Best fat insults you can come up with. It's gonna be less than 87.7 next week, man. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. You won't find any victim mentality here. Ah, the cake made me eat it. Boo-hoo, feel sorry for me. Man, shut up. Nobody forcing that cake to my mouth. But what's life, you know, without some buttermilk cookies? And some apple pie, raspberry pie, and not that slim kind of dough, you know, that's popular now in Sweden for some stupid reason. But that the buttery one. You know, that's the way to make cookies. Pour some rich Belgian chocolate in there. Dough, you know, make it dark, and then little pieces too. So if you heat them in the oven, you know, it's oh man, you make them hot, and then you put some ice cream on. Very good ice cream here. Even store-bought ice cream. We have all these cows here, just producing cream. Ah, another Karen. Very nice, man. I make a speech bubble that say slow down, and I use that as the thumbnail. Make a title, you know, something about victim mentality is weak. When I ask ChatGPT, you know, it's probably not going to answer because, you know, this I don't know, I just think it's a bit liberal too, you know. It lectures you sometimes when you ask it some questions. But yeah, that AI is very smart, man. Should save some, you know, for when it take the snake off his job. It's only a matter of time. My battery is starting to listen to the carrot, you know. It's going very slow. I'm gonna have to give it a little boost. It's interesting with these Karens, you know. It's always this older white woman, you know, that feel the need to lecture everybody else around them. Ah, do this, do that. Man, nobody cares. But I think it's a bit sad, you know, also. Like, I think they feel a bit lonely because they don't get the attention that they used to get. So now they just try to get attention in a different way. You know, it is what it is. And if we put ourselves in their perspective. Imagine, you know, they're 20, everybody give them all attention, buy them drinks, free dinners, and now they're 50, and nobody even look at them, you know. It's tough. It's tough on the ego. Nobody can prepare you for that, you know. It's different for us men. You know, we used to nobody looking at us, and then we have to biceps curl all the way to get the Jesus appreciation, you know. Then God's gonna smile on you and give you a big biceps. Always with you, you know. But for these Karens, man, they got nobody. It's a bit sad. Oh wow, is the battery gonna die? Nah, good old Ridstar, carry me home, man. Anyways, Snake POV, out.